the sign that said Jesus was a Muslim.
Yes.
For me, that struck me as provocative because when Jesus was alive, Islam didn't exist yet, right? It came about in the 7th century AD with Muhammad.
So what do you understand about the term Muslim? And obviously these guys probably explained it.
For me, a Muslim is someone who tries to live their life by the teachings of Muhammad.
Okay,
right?
So Muslim linguistically means a person who submits their will to the will of the Creator.
And so that's where it gets interesting because, because a Christian might also say that I submit my will to the will of the Creator. So could you say that a Christian is a Muslim as well?
Yeah. So
can you be both?
So now this is a question. So for example, the disciples of Jesus Christ, or the followers of Moses, peace upon him, okay, who followed Moses his lifetime, etc. They were Muslims. Why? Because they were living their life according to the revelation which is given to their prophet, who was submitting his will to the will of the Father, will of the Creator. I mean, Christians according to the Father, etc. Okay. So a person who